Ready to trade your crypto for something new? First, open the Crypto.com app on your phone and log in. This is where you'll manage all your crypto. Next, navigate to your portfolio section, which is usually found at the center bottom of the screen, and tap it. This is where all your crypto holdings are displayed. Within the portfolio view, you can view your various crypto holdings. For example, you might see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Crow. You should also confirm that you have the available balance necessary to make the swap in your intended crypto. Now, you need to find the swap button or icon. It will be highlighted near the bottom center of the screen. This is the key to unlocking the swapping process. Make sure that you can see your balance. And we can hide the crypto holdings with the eye icon at the top right corner to protect your personal information. On the swap screen, the first step is to choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. Tap on the From field and select the crypto you want to sell. Then, tap on the To field and choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You then enter the amount of crypto you want to exchange. Be mindful of the minimum trade requirements. The app will then display the estimated amount of the two crypto you will receive. Carefully review the details of your swap, including any fees that may be visible on the screen. Then click the Confirm Swap button to finalize your trade. Congratulations! Your crypto swap is now complete. You can check your updated crypto balances in your portfolio. Manage your crypto portfolio with ease on Crypto.com, and happy swapping!